Hey guys, John Snoopy from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video, and I would like to showcase a new and up-and-coming photographer who has taken her skills to such a high level. She's putting out some fantastic pictures of birds, and I want to pick her brain to find out how she's doing it, and hopefully you guys can pick up some good tips as well. To see Marilyn on her Instagram, be sure to look at the link in the description below, and to follow more Ventura sights and sounds, be sure to subscribe, and let's get to it. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Marilyn, I want to thank you for coming and hanging out with me. That was a lot of fun. I think we got some great shots. Be sure to check Marilyn's Instagram and the link in the description below. And until the next video, this is John Snoopy from Motionshooter Photography.